Okay, so here's the next question for the problem of the day. That is basically same as the yesterday's problem. If you have done it, okay, that was first and that it is second. But if you would be thinking that what is the difference? Difference is in the constraints. Okay, the num's length in the first that question was 10 to the that basically from 3 to 100. Okay, and here 10 to the power 5 till. Okay, other things are totally same. The question and the examples purely totally same. Okay, you can just copy paste the basically solution and of to yesterday to the today's problem, just it will get past the solution. Okay, just one thing that will not do is that brute force will not work in this. Okay, because constraint is larger. Okay, so other two solution, that is greedy plus prefix and suffix array, and that is the greedy. Okay, that will simply work. Okay, so I will only tell you the greedy approach. Okay, directly, because if you have done previous, then you will just copy paste the answer would come. Okay, so let's just go on the greedy approach. Okay, so what will we will do? So you would have probably know the question that this is an array that will be simply given, and we have to find three triplets. Okay, three values or three indexes in which we have to choose, and we have to calculate this. Uh, that is from num 0. That in this example we have chosen these three triplets, and if we do this operation, that is num 0 minus nums 2, first 2 will be subtracted and then multiply with next. Okay, that is 3 I j k, so nums of I minus nums of j and multiplied with nums k, then simply the value would come, so it will be simply maximum value. Okay, from the array. Okay, so that's the thing we have to calculate it. Okay, we have to maximize this operation. Okay, so simply what we will do, we will simply we will go on the nums k. We will just use this nums k like this. We will just stabilize it. Okay, we will just fix the value of nums k, then with this nums k we will calculate this nums I and this subtraction. Okay, so what we will do, so one thing, that if we are subtracting this value from this, then that probably that first value should be maximum, so that we can get this whole maximum value. Okay, that. So to get this subtraction maximum value, the num size should be maximum. Okay, so this will surely get the maximum value. So we will take two variables, that is simply, okay, let's just take the first array example. Okay, that is 12 6 1 2 7. Okay, okay, so I have taken this array, so let's just do. So what we are going to do, we are going to take two variables, that is I max, that's simply the value max of I. Okay, the ith position, that is three values are there, I j k n. Okay, so this is I max. Okay, that will be simply like a maximum of, we will always get maximum of I max and the nums k. Okay, we will iterate for k, we'll fix the k and iterate it. Okay, k will be the pointer that will simply move. Okay, so let's just take the k. So we have written this I max, we can simply make it bigger so that you can see. Then we will calculate the d max. What is the d max? Let's just write. D max is the difference. Okay, the nums of I minus nums j, that is this. Okay, this should be maximum, so we will calculate d max, that is should be maximum value. Okay, how it is calculating, we will simply say max of d max comma nums of not nums I max, that is simply that is the nums I, simply that will the this value. Okay, this will the simply maximum value. Okay, then we will say I max minus, that is simply that will simply nums of k. Okay, so that will simply we get the maximum value. Okay, difference maximum. Okay, so simply we can make it larger. Okay, then we will calculate the result. Okay, result. Okay, so result would be simply, what would the result? Result would be simply max of result and this d max multiplied with nums of k. Simple. Okay, so that will be the, because we have found this if you see, we have first just found this first I max, that is simply nums of I. Okay, then we have found the D max, that will simply this difference. If we have found this maximum difference, then we can simply multiply with the nums k. Okay, we will check every time and multiply with nums k all the values. So the maximum of this value would be the result. Okay, so in this portion, these three would be calculated. We will iterate this k till last, then these three will be calculated and the result will be contain the answer. Okay, so that's the greedy approach. Okay, and this will the time complexity is big of n. Okay, simply, and the space complexity is big of 1. Okay, so that's the question. Okay, so we have written the code. You can see, let's just make it something larger so you can see it. Okay, so first what we have to do, just initialize the n and the long result I max, D max. Okay, we are iterating k, then we are simply calculate the result. So first we will calculate the I max would be calculated, then D max, the difference, and the result. Okay, so we will return the result. You can submit it. So yeah, it's accepted, and you can see time complexity also. Okay, that is simply big of n, and space complexity big of 1. That's simple. Okay, so that's the code.